Fed confirmed buy of Ripple XRP from holders at price of $37,500 tonight. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Forbes expert Rosalind Layton, PhD, already known to us, described the tactics of regulation by coercion of the Securities and Exchange Commission as manipulation through arbitrary decisions, as well as the absence of a process and rules. The journalist claims in a recent article that the increase in the number of settled SEC cases against cryptocurrencies indicates that the agency does not have clear rules. Indeed, about 90% of SEC cases are settled rather than completed in court. Such a high degree of enforcement and settlement suggests that the SEC's rules are unclear and may not exist, Layton said. She noted that a recent review article by the SEC chairman titled, "The SEC Treats Cryptography the Same as the Rest of the Capital Markets," is unfounded, given the number of cases brought against crypto companies. So many lawsuits indicate that the SEC prefers regulation by coercion, a lawsuit against a financial entity aimed at obtaining a settlement, rather than regulation by the rules, she said. She further writes, the division has about 200 crypto lawsuits since its founding in 2017, with fraud being the subject of at least 80 investigations. The agency also reports on the restoration of monetary assistance in the amount of $2 billion. According to Layton, the Securities and Exchange Commission has sent hundreds of lawyers tasked with prosecuting companies for non-compliance with agency rules that still cannot be found on the SEC's website. However, Layton suggested that the agency could encourage some of these practicing lawyers to develop clearer cryptocurrency rules. Cryptocurrency figures have been begging Congress and the SEC for clear rules for years, but this has not happened. Gensler has been working for a year and a half. It's time to do it, Layton added. For Layton, although the SEC continues to assert that all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin are securities, it is a fact that some crypto assets can be a currency. The issue of currency or security is at the heart of the SEC's dispute against Ripple Labs in the status of the XRP digital currency, Layton added. It is noteworthy that the top management of the SEC had been thinking for some time about whether XRP was a security before William Hinman made a controversial speech supporting ETH. Unfortunately, the SEC did not investigate and develop rules before accusing Ripple of violating U.S. securities regulations during the initial coin offering, ICO, in 2013. The SEC also accuses Ripple that Ripple should have known that XRP is a security since the registry debuted in 2013. Although the SEC itself did not know about it until it filed a lawsuit in 2020, she said. The article provoked a number of reactions from members of the cryptocurrency community, including John Deaton, a lawyer representing more than 72,000 XRP holders in a class action lawsuit against the SEC. At Rosalind Layton's article, note the note at the end. Gensler says crypto treated just like the market. 200 SEC lawsuits say otherwise. Lawyer John Deaton, the founder of Crypto Law and the representative of the owners of XRP in court, makes a bold prediction about what may happen after the briefings on the summary judgment are made public. He stated, when the motions for summary judgment are made public, we will see evidence that we currently do not know about, including testimony from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, co-founder Chris Larsen, Ripple CTO David Schwartz, and former Ripple employees. Hinman and other SEC officials, Amy Starr, Valerie S. He also added, I predict that we will see also why it was so important that XRP holders were heard. When the summary judgment motions are public, we will see evidence we are currently unaware of, including testimony from at B. Garlinghouse, at Chris Larsen SF, at Joel Katz, and former at Ripple employees. It includes testimony from Hinman and other SEC officials, i.e. Amy Starr, Valerie S., etc. John E. Deaton, 212K followers beware imposters, at John Deaton 1, August 20, 2022. according to the latest updated schedule shared by James K. Phelan. The remaining months of 2022 may be a key moment in the trial, based on upcoming decisions and petitions to be filed. It is expected that petitions for a summary judgment will be received by September 13. Objections are expected by October 18, and responses to any objections must be given by November 15, before Judge Torres makes a final decision. Phelan predicts that Judge Torres' decision on expert petitions in a summary judgment may be made by March 31, 2023. Lawyer John Deaton accuses SEC Gary Gensler of gross abuse of authority in his war with cryptocurrency. John Deaton, the founder of Crypto Law, criticized the excessive reach of the SEC in an article published on Fox Business. According to Deaton, Gary Gensler, chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, aggressively sought to expand the agency's powers beyond what is permitted by law. Highly recommended reading 1 at John E. Deaton 1's article succinctly articulates the harm SEC chair at Gary Gensler continues to do perpetuate towards crypto. The SEC harms investors and creates disorderly markets by not providing regulatory clarity. https://t:// Vidra 1 TJJOB. Moonchaser, at Moonchaser 2020, August 21, 2022. He cited how, with the exception of congressional action, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, the main regulator of investments that are not considered traditional securities, has primary responsibility for regulating digital assets. This may mean that the SEC has limited jurisdiction over the cryptocurrency industry. In 1946, the Supreme Court issued its famous Howey criteria ruling, which laid out a four-part test to determine what qualifies as an investment contract. Deaton continued by stating that after Howey, Congress was unable to pass any new legislation that would directly regulate cryptocurrencies. This should mean that Congress intends to make the CFTC the de facto regulator of the cryptocurrency industry. He alleges that Gary Gensler, chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, used this perceived lack of clarity to launch a campaign of regulation by enforcement that pushed Howey to the limit. In December 2020, the Ripple case was initiated by Jay Clayton on the last day of his tenure as chairman of the SEC. The Securities and Exchange Commission has filed charges against Ripple executives for allegedly selling XRP in a way that could qualify as a Howey security, since the proceeds, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission, were partially used to support the growth of Ripple's business. As a result, they were required to disclose information about these sales to investors, as a public business would do. John Deaton previously noted on Twitter that XRP is by far the most important altcoin in the cryptocurrency market as a result of the SEC's actions against him. He pointed out that if Ripple Labs loses the case, it could be dangerous for all other cryptocurrencies, as the SEC could mark them as unregistered securities. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.